Hello, my lovely viewers. This is Suchitra, your friend, facilitator, and guide from A to Z English Medium. Today, in this video, we will learn the first poem of your main textbook, Beehive. The title of the poem is The Road Not Taken, and it is composed by one of the most distinguished American poet, Robert Frost. Before we begin the topic, quickly subscribe to my channel A to Z English Medium and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. And now, coming back to the topic, let us first understand the background and theme of the poem. At every phase of our life, almost in everything, we get a lot many choices. Starting from the selection of toothpaste, soap, shampoo and hair oil, or hairstyle, dresses, food and holiday plans. Or coming to the more serious one, the choice of selecting school, college, institute or university, choices in selecting the subject or stream, choosing the life partner, or choice of right investment plan. The fact is, more choices lead us to more confusions in life. In some cases, we may change or alter our choices if we are not satisfied. But in most of the big and important decisions which shape our life, we cannot do so. If you make a choice in any of such matter, and in the long run you are not satisfied or you have a failure, you cannot revive it. You cannot go back to that time of your life and change your decision and make another choice, because one decision leads to the other and the chain continues. And this is what Robert Frost has conveyed through this poem. This poem actually deals with the dilemma or confusion that one faces while making the important decisions of his life. In this poem, the title, The Road Not Taken, the road actually means choices that we get in our life, and not taken means did not make or did not choose. So, the title actually means the choice that the poet had not made. Now here this is very interesting to notice that the poet is not talking about the choice he made and its consequences. Rather, he talks about the choice he did not make. And at the same time, he ends up the poem by saying that he would narrate the story of his choice or decision with a sigh, means sadly. So, many critics believe that it gives us a hint that he might be unhappy, dissatisfied and unsuccessful in the long run. And as he cannot go back now and change the things, he sighs and regrets. The very important message that this poem conveys is that the crucial choices we make have an impact on our future, and if we make a wrong choice, we can only regret but cannot go back and change it. Thus, we should be more wise, prudent, far-sighted and calm and composed while making our choices, or especially by taking the important decisions of our life. Let us have a brief summary of the poem now. The poet was walking down a road in a dry yellow forest when he reached at a fork. Okay, fork means the point on a road from where it divides into two or more directions. It is also known as diversion. So the poet reaches at a fork or diversion. As he could not walk on both the roads at a time because it is not possible, so he kept waiting. He took a long time to make his choice. He did not know what was awaiting at the end of both the roads because he could see only up to a certain distance. What is beyond that he could not see, and he did not know that. So he examined both the roads minutely and finally chose the one which was less travelled by other people. He says he would take the other road some other day, though he knows that it won't be possible practically. As he walked on his chosen road, he realized that there was not much difference between both the roads. He felt that his future depended on the choice that he made. And someday he would tell about his dilemma of making a choice or decision with a sigh or sadly. So that is it for now. For the detailed textual explanation of the poem and poetic devices, please watch my next video, whose link has been shared in the description box. If you like my presentations, please do share it and subscribe to my channel A to Z English Medium. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself.